Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you update your Instagram app. So, if your Instagram app is not updated, you cannot have the latest features in Instagram. So, if your updated is not shown, you just need to go to settings. After going to settings, you need to go to your apps option. Here in the second option, click on manage apps. After going to the manage apps option, you need to find Instagram and click on Instagram. If you are an Android user, you can see in the bottom right corner clear all data option. Click on this. After clicking on this, you can see blue button OK. Click on OK. By clicking on this, you need to go to Play Store. Go to Play Store. After going to Play Store, in the search box, you need to search for Instagram. Here you can see the updated is not shown, so you just need to install the app. After installing the app, you need to install the app again. By installing the app again, you can see the latest features in Instagram and the app will be updated. So guys, this is how can you update your Instagram app. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.